So this is a small video to show how to do a bypass on the amplifier on the Z3 equipped with the standard audio systems, meaning not the HiFi or the Harman Kardon. What the problem is that the footwell speakers on the left and on the right are not working, and this is given what is causing this is this amplifier, which is connected behind the front left speaker. So what we have to do is just to do a bypass. We have to remove this amplifier, which is not needed because we have already a good radio system like a Becker or something like this. So we can remove this and do a bypass, meaning that we connect directly the cables to the speakers. To do that, we remove this panel from here. You will find the speaker connected to the amplifier just here on the top. So to remove the amplifier, there's just a screw here, a normal Phillips one, okay, and a connector, okay, a connector which is just a normal connector. Okay, we have to press here to remove this lever. Okay, easy. And then there is a tape here, so the speaker is literally taped to the amplifier. So just put a screwdriver in here and do some press a little bit in order to separate them. Okay, so what we have to do is we cut the connector which is coming from the vehicle. I know it's painful, but don't worry, it will work. So you cut all these wires, and then you will have these three wires, white, brown and red white, which are the power for the amplifier, and the ground, of course, which are not needed because the amplifier is removed. So these wires can be neglected, no need of them. And then we have the left speaker, which is connected to these yellow cables, okay, and then the blue cables, these blue cables, which are the right speaker. So you see they are coming by pairs, and we just need to connect one with the other in order to get rid of the amplifier. Be careful because you have to connect one from this side to another one of this side. You don't have to connect these two together and these two together, okay? Be careful. If you do it, nothing wrong will happen, because I did that mistake and nothing happens. Just be aware that you have to connect one from each side to the other. I will describe which ones, but you can see here already the colors. But okay, it's a blue violet goes with the blue black, and the blue brown goes to the blue gray. Okay, and here you have the yellow red that goes to the green black, which is the big spade, and the yellow brown going to the green one, which is the small spade on the speaker. Okay, and that's it. Just mount everything back, get rid of the amplifier, and it works. Hope it helps somebody. And remember, this is only valid for Z3s equipped with the standard audio system, so you don't have the subwoofer here. Okay, just this compartment.